It's green bean time. Got a lot of them. Pick some. And it's also zucchini time. They're giant. Might be able to see some growing under the screen. I'm going to pick one more vegetable to go with my 2 zooks and my green beans. I'm going to get this one. To go with these guys and make something delicious. Got all my veggies washed. I'm going to blister these in a pan. I'm going to slice these thick, cut them in half, put them in a pan. I'm not going to use the squash. I'm just going to use zucchini. And I'm going to cut these about 1 inch thick. Try to sear them in the pan. And then I'm going to add some pepper flakes, some pepper, speck of salt, a little lemon. And they're done. Nice and blistered. I'm going to put them in this plate. They're going to keep cooking. Put this foil over it because we got more vegetables to cook. Sweet Texas onions that we picked also. And turn them one time, let them sit. Little black pepper only. Let's take out the onion. Okay, this is the second time we did it. See what we got here in the platter. Got some blistered beans. Got some zucchini grilled, red pepper. Got some sweet onions, yellow onions. They're so good. Chard. And we added some garden fresh tomatoes just lightly on the grill. Put a little lemon. And a little bit of cheese. Look at that. It's beautiful. You could put a stuffed salsa, mint, whatever you want. Okay, let's see. Go ahead and try it. What do you think?
That's good.